Now, all of these are degreasers in technicality. They all clean, they all have alkaline in them, they all do that heavy degreasing cleanup. The difference is they have project-specific chemicals that are added or ingredients that are added into it to help accelerate what you need. Now, the LVP has a little bit of something that's in there to help lubricate the leather, to keep it from actually breaking down too much. So it's a gentle clean without dehydrating out your leathers and your vinyls and your plastics. And LVP stands for leather, vinyls, and plastics. It's designed to be able to clean out your plastics, your vinyls, and your leathers safely for the interior and the exterior of your vehicle without having to have any harsh chemicals that are going to damage it. It's going to leave you a nice shine and be able to remove some of those tough stains. You can dilute it for your heavy stuff or your spot cleaning, a 4-to-1 ratio on your gallons that you have here. Or if you're mild to moderate cleaning, you'll want to go about 10-to-1, which is what I've done here, because really a lot of the times you don't have those heavy stains or those heavy things you need to clean off. So 10-to-1 is actually real good for maintaining and making sure that the material is safe. It's ideal for all the doors as well. A product that 10-to-1 is very safe. Now you're nice and clean. The LVP is perfect for all that leather, vinyl, and plastics that you're looking to restore and bring back to that new, fresh look. Now we like to take and make sure we spray all of our cleaners and degreasers when we're dealing with the interior directly onto our utensil, whether it be a brush or a rag. That way you avoid overspray, which could cause some staining or some runs. When you're scrubbing, you don't want to scrub too hard either, so you want to do a whole lot, have the work be done by using the utensil that you've chosen to use. And the LVP actually has a really pleasant scent. It's got a leather scent to it, so between a leather scent, new car scent, so it's not going to ruin any additional scent you would like to apply to the interior of the car, give it kind of that new car smell. And as Francisco just said, it's not going to turn it all white. You have to spray sometimes down inside there. That's understandable, because there's a lot of nasty material that's inside of this door panel. And we went from absolute nastiness to pretty darn good shine and cleanliness in just a short amount of time. It even works around these door jambs here where we got all this black soot that's been kicked up from the outside or brought in from the weather and the elements. It's pretty easy to clean all this up here as well. Now, why did we choose LVP? LVP mostly is because it's perfect for your interior cleaning of your leather, plastics, and vinyls. It also has a light degreaser in it so that you can really get some of that grime off. So taking some LVP, it looks like we have some soda stains on here. I'm gonna lightly massage it in here, clean it up real nice like. Now we're cleaning the center console here. This one was loaded with sunflower seeds. Just taking this nice soft horsehair brush, being able to get down into some of these crevices, be able to get rid of this dirt that's settled down in there. Cup holders always get extra gross. You know, you hit a bump and your soda spills or whatnot, but look how easy that comes up though. And remember, LVP, yeah, you know me. We're down with LVP.